chase. Everyone give me some space. Don't fall out, we fall into place. Every step walking with grace, amen. Keeping my foot off the brakes. Impact, I'm ready to brace. We fall down and land on our face, just to get up and finally escape. Wait, boom, boom. Baby, I'm trying to get paid. Legends don't die in a grave. They live through the story they made, okay? Boom, boom. Baby, I'm trying to get paid. Legends don't die in a grave. Hey, legends don't die anyway. I was working on a play today. Body bags covered away. I paved, zipped up like a bathing ape. How many of us then came and stayed? Not too many. I've been staying awake to get it and get right on every mistake. I give them a bite, they taking a plate. It's all been a feeling that I couldn't shake.
Ha. Wow. Oh, hello everybody. How are we? How are we doing? How are we feeling? Get connected. Look at that long. Good morning, Euro. Good morning, George, Shancy, Adam, Colton, Zulu, Nixisi, Patel, AKR, Kevin, Oscar, M Drop, Scotty, Adri. All the real legends in the community who don't show up.
Everyone else is not a legend?
Nah, everyone else shows up late. They're not locked in. Damn, Yeti, that's a crazy gift. That's actually a crazy gift. How we doing? How we feeling? Tuesday morning. No matter what I click or not, I can't get the trading view chart to adjust. What? What do you mean? Are you on the contract chart or are you just on like NQ1? MNQ1? Do you have did you click the bottom right, adjust for contract changes? Oh, it doesn't do anything? Very interesting. Very, very interesting.
Finally. Holy smoke.
Yeah,
That was taking forever.
You wanna yell and see if it comes through?
Hello!
I tricked you. Now you're loud.
Is it me you're looking?
I could see it in your eyes. So funny. We were looking at the chart literally at like 8:50, and we were like, "This is a good long," but we were busy, so we did not enter. Which means it meant nothing.
What is up, just some guy on YouTube? How you doing today?
What's up, my YouTube peoples? And my Discord peoples. Huh. All right, so my plan basically, I'm gonna see how we open, and how PA moves because tomorrow's FOMC and PPI. I'm expecting low key today to be kind of mid, but sometimes it's not mid. I'd say like 80% of the time, the day before some heavy news like that, PA is mid. But every once in a while, it'll just randomly be really good. So we just have to wait and see how the candles be moving. No way today is as bad as yesterday. Honestly, just looking at how pre-market is moving, it probably won't be. But you never know. It might be one of those days where the open has a really nice move and then it kind of just turns ass.
I feel like I'm so behind. Jillian. But it's also because the chart was not the same.
Yeah, you have to remark everything. She really is going. Wow. Maybe I should have went against my entire system and just randomly entered. Huh. All right, chat, be honest. For everybody that's in here today, who is starting red because they traded last night? I need to know. You need to be open and honest. as a family, have an open and honest dialogue. Who's starting red and who's starting green? I was green, then went red. All right. Starting $705 up. All right. W Adam. Green because I traded last night. Nice. Zulu starting green up 400. Not the I, sir. Up $500 on 2 TPTs. All right. On hands. Flat as hell. I understand, George. I didn't take shit either. Blue 5 Lucids. You blew 5 Lucids last night? By yourself? Trading Asia? I usually start red, but I learned my lesson with y'all.
Rams,
For
how come
real.
it looks like I'm a different color?
Oh, your temp is blue. I kind of like the blue. Is it just me or does it look better?
I feel like
can't
I look
do that.
more like LED'd.
Yeah.
You look a lot more warm.
I'm very warm and fuzzy. Look, Patalk said Ace is glowing today.
That's just the lotion.
Uh.
Because he's preggo. It's the pregnancy. Thanks, guys.
Oh,
I appreciate it.
I just don't touch any session except New York AM. Super valid. You don't have to touch any other session, to be honest.
You guys would.
Oh, good thing you cut out. Yo, Shrek God. Shrek God. Hey, Shrek God. And I need you. Pre-market,
Yo, who
I
found the
won't
code
take-
last night in our Instagram
yeah.
video?
Yeah, who found the code? I'm actually curious. Should
Who
we tell
found the
them?
code?
Should we tell them what's it called? Like what happened? Like should we get them in on it? On like what the plan is because of what happened with that video?
No, because I didn't even message the person. They're gonna be like, "Yo,
Wait, do you know what I'm talking about?
person who won."
Yeah.
I didn't message.
Oh.
Let me message him first so he knows what's up before
Okay,
he's
okay,
like,
okay.
"Yo, what the heck?"
Okay.
How about if you sit? We're like,
I messaged, not me. I did, but I was too late.
tell if I want to be without sweater or with cold, but it's hot.
Did you announce the winner of day 2? Yeah, we already did. And I already DM'd them. It's usually 24 hours later. Like if we post one today,
We'll start posting it
usually
on the
it'll-
story too, like literally showing who
Yeah.
won.
Yeah, but usually like if I post another one today, tomorrow after stream, we'll announce the winner. And then I just like pin it. Well, I'll start storing it.
Oh, how you guys doing today? You guys doing well? Did you guys get a good night's sleep? We have 2 minutes into the open.
so.
I did have to adjust a lot of my draws because of the contract change. Also, to everyone that's in here, make sure that your platform is adjusted for the contract change. So we are no longer on H contracts for ES and NQ.
Mm-hmm.
Do not make that mistake of going in a very illiquid.
I mean, TradeAvate's goated.
Contract.
As soon as you open it, it pops up and says like update.
That's if
and
you
all your
click
shit.
OK.
Why would you click no?
No, some people move quick. Like if
Oh,
you
they-
click the background, it just exits.
Oh, I see.
We're on M, not H. I did finish, but maybe I got cut off by my mic.
We're on M.
Yeah, I
Mm.
did say M. I promise.
Closed below monthly anchored.
Pinky
again.
promise, pinky
Let's
promise.
see. When are we opening? Right now? In a minute. All right. Very curious. How is FOMC going to be? Volatile. That's all I can promise. Definitely volatile. What's up, YouTube?
Up YouTube, red to million. Market is open, and I am short, grinding evals to have these ones past stat. Let's go, red to
can you-
million.
Can you adjust me on stream, Mr. Ramsicles?
Made 1,500 payout to start the week.
I'm,
W.
like, off-centered.
Let's go.
Whoa. Whoa. That's better. That's better.
Are those evals? Yes, we are doing a challenge, so
Oh, we should
that's
probably
why.
announce that every single day, like again, of what we're doing. Like for people.
Well,
who missed
shit.
it?
Okay, guys.
Yeah.
Well, if you guys weren't here yesterday, or if you guys don't read any of the announcements, or if you guys are just seeing us for the first time, we are doing a what's called a prop to payout challenge. This is our third one that we've ever done. The first two were accomplished literally in the minimum days. We don't ever tell people like, hey, like this is what to expect, because that's very unrealistic. It was just by chance, really good setups, really good trades that we were able to hit a straight to funded 5 minimum days, get the payout. And then the next one was Select's 0 day by Tradeify. And that we passed the eval, no popped accounts at all. 3 days to pass, passed it. And then on the first day, made 20K. So this time around, I am going to be doing something a little bit different, where I'm going to be using 2 different set of accounts. I want to make it a lot more challenging for myself, which I think should be a little bit easier to follow. And that's using Take Profit Trader. Take Profit Trader is going to give me a lot more leeway to try to reach for the stars in terms of a bigger payout. So if I do make that 20K, guess who's taking home a good chunk of that? But it's going to be a lot harder because they do have intraday drawdown through that buffer. So I'm going to run that, but on the side, and I will show you guys as well, I'm also going to be running an end of day drawdown, just so that if there's a trade where I would like to stay in it, but I can't necessarily do that through the buffer because I got to basically take at that first PT or get super aggressive with the SL as soon as we're close to that PT, then at least I'll have that little bit of wiggle room when dealing with the end of day drawdown. So yeah, these are evals, very transparent. We popped 3 of them yesterday after being in green. I made 4K yesterday. So on stream at the very end, made 2K, and then in premium called out a few more trades that got me to basically a 4K. And Globex, I was trying to alert a trade, and unfortunately that thing just absolutely ripped without everyone. So I'm up, but I have more evals to go with. But that is, in technicality, 2 past accounts. I just have to wait the minimum days. So we're going to take this next one and try to get a full stack. If not, then it's fine. I'm just going to run with whatever I have and still get that end of day drawdown one going as well. There is a nice poppy.
Yep.
We are now above our previous day high. Again, guys, make sure that you guys are adjusted for the contract change. So if you guys are charting on NQH, make sure to change that. I just chart on NQ1 personally. But I know a lot of people like to chart on the actual contract itself.
Beauty. Yeah, no, that was a good long. We held 25K. Nice.
Super nice. There's CE right there. So we'll see what goes on. And then from here, we do have previous month POC sitting all the way at 82. I'm staying a lot more patient today. Red to Million said, I love the Tradeify selects. Yeah, they're banger. Prop to payout. That is correct. Opening up a prop and getting that payout and just basically showing everyone with full transparency exactly what's going on, all the trades I take, so on and so forth. But it gets really, really detailed as soon as we're in that funded stage. Because the eval, everyone goes a little bit more aggressive. I said it yesterday, and that's why we popped accounts. I was literally in triple the contracts that I would typically use.
Yeah.
Without full porting in. You know what? If the volatility is there, that thing just rips either direction.
Mm-hmm. Because why waste your time on accounts that will never make you money? Pass those bitches.
Big facts. Big facts. And to everyone that left early yesterday, guys, we did the giveaway. So where are you guys? You guys leave as soon as you guys take a good trade and you guys are like, peace out. Thanks for the dub. And then you guys are nowhere to be found for the giveaways. You're a busy guy. I understand. You also have a full ass family. You run multiple businesses.
A busy guy with a full ass family and multiple businesses? What if our entire chat?
I know that's not true. I know that's not true.
Hey, I'm for the people. I think they all have families. They all have multiple businesses. They have kids.
Someone's gonna pop up like, bro, I'm 18.
All of them are pregnant.
Oh man, shut your mouth. LOL. Busted an all-nighter Sunday designing and missed it yesterday.
What did you design?
What are you designing?
What are you designing? Los, multiple families. That's that shit.
I believe that shit. Look at your picture with your kid looking ass. Yo, you know Los is the person who won the first giveaway?
Really?
Yeah, he posted
Damn,
in
that'd be low.
testimonials. He said, "Find the code, get the account." I loved it.
I design for weed companies. I also illustrate. Ooh. Do you use
Illustrate this.
Adobe Illustrator?
Illustrate this.
Adobe Illustrator.
Is that supposed to be funny?
That is funny. Adobe Illustrator.
You and Yeti square off. Those are two different things.
Dude, does anybody here use Procreate? Are you like pro
I procreate.
animator?
Jill's pregnant.
Wait, you use Procreate?
He doesn't like my joke. I'm gonna go. Fucking...
You know what I was
No.
thinking? That'd be dope.
You're gonna tell me that wasn't good?
I didn't hear you. I was
I
like,
know. I
locked
could
in.
tell you couldn't hear me, guys.
Yeah.
He literally does this all day long. I'm speaking to him, and if his brain is even just slightly somewhere else, gone. Anything that you just told him,
You know
gone.
what?
And you know what's the worst? When you're having a conversation with him, eye to eye, and you know what he does? Picks up his phone, does a little text, looks back up. He's like, "Wait, what?" I'm like, "Bro,
You know why?
guy missed out on a good 30 minutes to an hour conversation, and his brain was just."
You know why?
Gone.
Because I actually care so much about what I do in the moment that when you're speaking to me, I am 100% focused on you. Now, the issue with that is when something else happens, my 100% focus goes away completely. I'm not going to give you 60%, 70% focus. That's so rude. I might as well always be locked in on everything that I do. Anyway, what did you say before? What did I miss?
You said, "Who uses Procreate?" I said, "I do. Jill's pregnant."
That's actually good.
I know. It was so banger.
No, it's not as good when you repeat it.
I know. It never really is.
But that it was the first time to me. No, you know why I asked if CC uses Procreate? It'd be banger if our logo had like a dope animation to it, and then like we and we would run
That
it.
would be sick. Euro just said, "I have a no phone
Let's
rule
do
when
it.
I'm
No,
with
like,
people."
CC,
That's a big
down,
fact, Euro.
open a ticket.
I can
and
vouch
let us
for Euro
know
with that.
what you're down
All of
for.
us were on our phones when we all met up, and Euro was just staring at us like, "You guys are so young, always on your phones." I'm like, "Euro, I love you, man."
Why do I fully like see Euro doing that too?
That's literally what he
Just
said.
Just there.
Yeah.
Like,
He was like,
You guys are
David at like while we're at
TikToking.
the dinner table, he's watching ICT videos. Amar, he's like messaging his wife overseas, and I'm just there, just smiling, and Euro's like shaking his head, like disappointed.
You guys are all too young. We were having dinner. These ding dongs were literally all three on their phones. That's kind of wild. I'm not on my phone during dinner, unless the
That's
market is
cap.
open. Unless it is like a Tuesday night dinner.
The boomers at work here like to say "fucking millenniums" when they see us on our phones. For real,
Millenniums.
millennium.
Falcon.
Millennium Falcon. The potentials are potentialing, and my contention is contention.
So we got a nice pop during this open, and now we're kind of just basing sideways off of the CE. Not much going on right now. We do have orange folder news, new home sales, pending home
10 a.m.
sales at 10 a.m. Yeah, so we'll see what is going on there.
I mean, I guess while we wait for a play to set up, you could take a look at options.
That's what I've been doing right now. Screen. Not much going on.
Options.
We do have Meta, which is filling in that gap right now. Only has like $1 more to go. We have Tesla just basing sideways off of yesterday's move. Head on 15 minutes. We have NVDA, which I like, and there's a massive wick to fill, but not much going on there too. So not picking up any options just yet. A lot of you option folks know that I am a lot more selective now when it comes to options, unless an opportunity like yesterday where we had a massive gap to fill on Meta, took it super quick, and next thing you know, was up almost 100% right off the rip. And that was off of a 0 DTE. But in most cases, I'm taking like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, even a month contract out and waiting for that play to actually set up. And most of them have printed. We do have a person who has every single one of our analyst inside of Premium's numbers. So we are going to start sharing those as well. We're just building a nice report in terms of what everyone is doing. If we need to fire anyone, unfortunately, but as of right now, everyone's killing it. Where do you trade
cool.
options? What platform? I use Questrade and Interactive Brokers. I'm here in Canada.
Damn. Fuck. I look, have so much nostalgia with my Interactive Brokers account. Like, I still have it on my phone. I just don't
Yeah.
use it because I don't do options anymore. I'm looking down to get into options again, but not yet. Later.
Not yet, but later.
Let me get more payouts and then I'll think about it.
I'm ready for tomorrow's class. Tomorrow's class is going to be a lot different than our typical setup. So I hope people are ready and available. We're going to be doing a different take. 8:30, 6:30 for tomorrow.
I use Iran options too soon. I used to run those options as well. Haha. You've got the, wow, this PA is kind of mid right now.
It's so mid. Literally not doing anything. Haven't taken a single trade, sitting on hands. And something that we do like to preach. So if you guys are new or just watching in for the first time or just like, yo, are you guys going to take any trades? Just know that sitting on hands is a very, very strong position. You don't always have to be inside of a trade. How many times were you like, oh man, you know what? I wish I stopped at that last trade. I wish I didn't take any trades today.
There, how many times did
Just
you look
wait
at the
for your setup.
market? You look at the market, you're like, this is very mid, and then you
Yeah.
end the day red, and you're like, wow, I would have rather just not taking this loss
Yeah.
and just like literally protected my account.
Yep. Patience is key. That's so true. Also, can we just get some hearts in the chat for Buffett? Sending my condolences to Buffett. His grandfather just passed away a couple days ago. Love you, Buffett. Can't wait to see you this weekend and spend some time with you.
Hearts in the chat.
Rest in peace, Lolo.
I was gonna say something. Oh yeah, I 100% believe that hitting bangers is not nearly as important as knowing when not to take a trade. Because you can hit as many bangers as you want, you know?
Yeah.
But if you don't know when to sit on your hands, you're just gonna blow all that money that you made anyway.
The trader next to Ace has funny jokes. Yo, you're kind of funny.
Oh, thank you. I'm very contentious. Who said that?
YouTube.
Hey, YouTube. Haig.
Haig.
What a legend. Mr. Haig.
Everyone on YouTube, I know that we have a few viewers there. We have a few on Twitch. I just want you guys to know that we do have a free community Discord where we do go live. There's 80 people in there right now, and chat is absolutely blowing up. So if you would like to join us, then feel free to do so with this link right. Bang. It's pinned.
Bow.
It's pinned. But if you guys just want to chill on YouTube, feel free to do that. We're not forcing you guys to do anything. Just enjoy us. You know, we're currently sitting on hands. Not a position has been taken. Made a few monies in Globex. But nonetheless, we're still doing this prop to payout challenge. So I'm excited. Also, shout out to my mother. Happy birthday, mother.
Hey, happy birthday, Mama Ace.
For real.
Real
And
quick,
happy.
two things.
Oh, yo, we forgot to wear green. That's like a deal.
A minute.
We forgot to wear green. Yo, show the massive cock ring.
What? This is
Yeah.
this is for a water polo.
Green Christmas one? I'm pretty sure it's behind the couch.
Got to be kidding me. All right, two things. First of all, people on YouTube, if you want like the least, hold on, let me restart that sentence. If you want the least delay possible, it's in the Discord. Number two, Adri said JJ jinxed today's PA. I didn't jinx it. I said it was gonna be mid. It was gonna have pop, good movement, then go sideways, and that's what happened. It's not called jinx.
Oh, here we
It's
are
called
back at
prophesizing.
CE. I'm glad I adjusted a lot of my draws because this is following it pretty nicely all the way through.
I think if we do have a continuation up, like 80 to 105, it's probably gonna be the top. Somewhere around there. What's ATR right now? 20 on the 2. Very interesting.
18 on the 1.
For everybody that joined late and wasn't here yesterday and or is new, we are doing a prop to payout challenge where we get prop accounts and then we run them until we get a payout. And we did it twice before, and those 2 times we got the payout in the minimum days. And today we haven't taken a trade so far because market kind of looks ass. So we're just gonna wait.
You're welcome.
Also, if you guys are gonna buy any props whatsoever and you want to use the best discount possible, get the most bang for your buck, save the most money, use code PHUB, code PHUB on all the props, and you'll get the best discount. And that's a fact. There's not a single discount that's higher than that discount. Because we are Prophub.
We got a new high of day,
Hey,
guys.
there we go. You forgot to be skinny.
And right here is our previous month POC and our ADR high. If we can start to break through that, would have a lot more confidence to get inside of a trade, even though you do pose a lot of risk being inside of your ADR high. But I'm going to take my previous month POC buyers versus sellers into more consideration than that ADR. And we also do have a Virgin POC all the way at 170, and shit, there's the rip.
I would love to see a test of this 100.
Yeah.
Maybe up to like 105, 110, and
And
then
I'm just
a reversal,
yapping
and
instead
I'll
of
enter
getting
that
in.
short.
There it is. Okay. Try to set myself up here.
Ba-da-dum, bum, 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 bum.
I'm gonna get in a light position here.
I'm gonna talk to production.
Understand. That's what I do. I like it.
If only you guys knew what he said.
So entry is 109.25. If we go revisit 82, I'll get into a full position. If we break back under 82, or under 75, then that's for sure a cut. But see, again, we do have news at 10, but 13 minutes till. We have our 15-minute orb established for the orb traders. And let's see what happens from here. Can we get...
Yeah.
There's that retest of 100.
Yeah.
And pushed back into green. Sitting flat. I'll laugh if it just bases here now. Until news. Like, oh, cool, thanks.
Bum bum. Welcome everybody. Ace is currently in a long.
So first big PT or conservative PT, you got 140 to 150, which puts you at your ADR high. And then the next main target for me is going to be my VOC and my week POC, which is at 170 to 175. And then from there, you have your previous month close on the top of the VI, which sits at 217 for 100 points. My main target is going to be that POCs though, for 61. So we'll see what happens there. I would actually like to get a small add-in still. So still not full position, but going to get in just a smidge more here on that retest.
Yeah, it's not bad at all. Not bad. Wait, so you use prices from general contract? The broker trade fee is on MNQH and doesn't show those prices. First time a contract roll mixes me up like this. Do you want to explain that? Read what he said.
Wait, so you use prices from general contract? Broker trade fee is on MNQH and doesn't show those prices. You have to change it. You have to go to MNQM. We're no longer on the H contract.
Well, I'm surprised that what is it, trade fee? I'm surprised trade fee doesn't auto.
Oh,
Like, they're literally new. They should be fucking with the
I have
time.
a story for you after. Actually,
Why is it after? Is it a non-stream story?
I mean, we could tell them. That's fine. How do you do it on Tradesy? I'm actually not too sure. I haven't traded.
I
on
would assume you
Tradesy.
literally can just type it in where you would regularly type in the ticker.
Yeah. They are also a newer platform, so if they're bugged, I would just wait it out and not take any trades.
It doesn't show a new contract in the search bar. That's very interesting.
Yeah. Are you the same ace of trades that had a Discord that did spy levels for options? Yes, I am that same ace of trades.
The watermelon.
Yeah, the same watermelon man. Used to own Conquered Mines, Elitist Society, and I forget the other one.
Only melons.
Checkered Capital, Only Melons. What is the stop at? I want to see. So, like, I would say, like, I'm staying loose right now just because it's not a full position. So 25,060. Because if it goes to 75 to 85, that's where my real position would be at. Anything underneath 75, the trade has now invalidated itself. And I would have to wait for another break of 82 for any sort of re-entry.
Mm-hmm. Me personally, I would really be down to get in some shorts if it confirms.
Yep.
Like if this is the top, that'd be nice.
Here's
But it does look
100.
good. When Xisi said, so you were on the same Discord as King Goffney? Do you know King Goffney?
I'm going to be honest. I don't know any analyst unless they were like insanely popular too. I was a part of like 1,000 servers, guys. I was
King of
like,
New York. Oh, what did I say? Oh,
well,
I said King Oh, I'm actually wow. Wow.
you're a goof.
I might have lost 37 brain cells.
He's an absolute goof
And I
for
don't
that.
think I had that much to lose.
I'll watch out for 39, guys. That would give 32 points from my entry. Shut up,
Oh shit.
bro. Shut up. So here we are below 100. So if you had quick invalidations, obviously that would be it, or you're just waiting for the candle to close. I'm going to wait for ADR high and previous month POC to either get tested or structure on our 5 minute, which you guys can see goes all the way down to 75. Trading with intent,
Bum,
just dollar value.
bum, bum. You're not available. I'm not gonna lie. I thought everyone knew that.
Oh,
You know what's funny? I was talking about it with Ace like a week before that happened. I was like, wow.
wow.
People thought that was all legit.
So there's the test of our previous month POC. If we can get a nice hold, then that would be my room for a full position. But being in a full position would also mean trailing really hard once that comes. And beautiful suck up off of that previous month POC and ADR high touch. We just need to see if that can sustain or flip green with enough liquidity being grabbed there. Criminal.
Cool.
No
Oh, yeah.
real.
Oh no, go ahead.
I was just gonna say no real substance as of right now, guys. So just chilling, no add-ins, no nothing. Off of a POC touch like that, I would have liked to see it flip green, reclaim 100, and it hasn't done that just yet, showing a little bit of signs of weakness. So it might have to chill here for a bit, or it just invalidates.
You said you had a story.
Oh, I got an email yesterday from Lucid saying, inactivity, you have not used your account in over 20 days. We are about to close. I'm like, I have an account?
That's happened to me before.
Literally, that
Yeah.
happened to you yesterday.
Yeah. Or what will happen? You'll just get charged randomly, and you'll be like, "What?"
Yeah. You're
Oh,
like, what's
account's
going
open?
on? And Jill's like, oh, that's always nice. I look. And the reason why I haven't touched it is because there was like $30 left.
Oh, so yeah.
It was one of those ones.
Yeah.
And it's jokes because when I found it, it was on TradeC. And TradeC's spread with the old contract was like 50 points. So as soon as I entered, gone. Even with M and Q. Like if you were entering in with a single MNQ, nope, didn't matter,
That's
gone.
crazy.
So that's what I wanted to see initially off that rip, guys. So that's a nice move. Now I would actually have room to add into this contract, but now I have to be a lot more aggressive, being in a full position with my stop. So I'm not really allowing this to dip back down and go for another retest of, I would even say 75. So I'm putting it at 73, 75 right now, but we'll see.
We will see, won't we?
I want it to hold 100. If it can't hold 100, it's probably going to come back down to those 80s or 85, which gives me a lot less confidence inside of this trade. So 106.25 full position now.
Real for real for real.
For real skis.
You know, I have a question I want to ask, but I low-key don't want to ask it.
Okay, so don't.
All right.
Okay, what is it?
I just almost don't want to ask it because I feel like it's like I don't
It's
know.
like a
It's like
like a
it's like a heavy question. Not really, but like I'm just curious.
Do it up. What is it, man?
All right, chat. I have a question for every single person in the chat. What's your actual goal for trading by the end of the year? Like, what's your actual main goal? Like, why are you doing all this? That's
Like, what
the
is their
question.
why?
Yeah, like, what's your why? By New Year's, like entering into 2027, where do you actually want to be? What's your actual goal? Retire my wife? That's fire.
That's a W.
That's a super W.
Buy a car, pay for my wife's breast cancer bills. Hurts to even say out loud. Yeah, Mike. We had that talk. Also, I don't mean like flip the mood, but for the sick kids, which
Mhm.
is finished now, the charity link is still open, I believe, right?
Is it?
I think so. I don't
Oh.
think we closed it.
Oh, yeah, I
But
didn't close it.
we are going to be doing that either this week or next week and creating a full video. So thank you guys so much for contributing to that charity and the first one that Prophub has ever ran.
Mhm. Make money, provide for my family, achieve financial freedom, buy a car. Would like to have multiple accounts where I can pull some money consistently per month by end of year. What was the question? I asked like where do you want to be by the end of the year? Like what's your why? Why are you doing all this?
I know what Euros is.
Own crib and a new car.
Euros is very short term, and it's just make 1K a day for personal reasons. Euro. Hey, yo.
Los, gambling and hookers.
And like I said, guys, easily just
Someone's telling the
rejected
truth now.
and back to 80s. So I'll probably get stopped out here. We'll see. My stop is at 71.25. Did adjust it a little just so it can match that top hammer right there. Even adjusting it below 70 is fine, like 69, but I wouldn't go less than that. Otherwise, you're just overexposing yourself.
For real.
So we'll see. We'll see what happens. If we can get that full reclaim of our previous month POC, we do have news in 2 minutes. It's not a red folder, so I can hold through it.
Yo, check your phone in a minute.
Check your phone in a minute. I haven't done it in a minute. Did it, kid it. What the? Oh, that's your St. Patty's? Rams is playing like St. Patty's music. Oh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Below 80, guys. We need it to hold 83. And it's not doing that right now. We are getting that close. There it is on a 1 minute. So now it's testing structure at that 75, which is what I wanted. And if it completely invalidates that, then the trade is done. So we have two things here, right? We have our previous month POC, our ADR high, but then we also have our structure that we created on a 5 minute. So just staying patient, waiting, tested it. And again, to our orb traders, it's the same exact thing when you're taking either your orb or that structure high on a 5 minute. So you do have some decent confluences aligning, and I'm just trusting the analysis. If I get stopped, I get stopped. And the trade was there, and it just didn't work out.
Based on this close, I will potentially get in a short.
I agree.
I'm just waiting to
If it
confirm.
actually does close underneath, that's 75. Actually, fuck. I wouldn't either yet.
Oh yeah, news in a minute.
It is
Damn.
an orange folder, so that's another nice retest of that POC with a pop up.
Look, I forgot about the news. I can't lie, but it's okay. I didn't get my clothes anyway.
Orange folder pending, and let's see.
If I turn this,
You might see a little bit of volatility here, guys, where it could literally wick and then pop. I would just be careful. So pending home sales was positive 1.8 from the forecasted negative 0.6 from the previous negative 0.8. So pending home sales, wow, got some decent numbers got put up right now. See if the market reacts to that. Again, it is only an orange folder, but we'll see.
I like this. I don't like being all the way on the right. I understand. Yo, W prop. I mean, W production for making a McDouble. Isn't that fire?
They don't know what a McDouble is.
Oh yeah, but yeah, they do.
They don't have it in the
No,
States.
they don't have it. They don't have a junior chicken.
They don't have value menu. Not like that.
Yo, Americans, do you
They
have
don't
a
have junior
McDouble?
chickens.
We have McDouble.
Oh,
They're
you guys just don't
tweaking.
have a junior chicken?
No, that's not the same thing,
We have McChickens.
bro. Our McChicken. Cap.
No, theirs is bigger.
Cap.
100%.
Nope. I'm
100%.
looking it up.
You're wrong. He's wrong. Junior chicken is the best sandwich ever.
Stop talking about it, or I'm gonna order it.
Guys, the last time John was craving something, he's like, I really want Chick-fil-A. This guy didn't even tell us he ordered. We couldn't even put in an order. And this guy goes downstairs, comes back up, and just a big smile on his face with Chick-fil-A.
Don't say we couldn't even order.
He
like
didn't even
wanted.
ask us.
Yes, I did. I said, does anybody
Rams,
want?
did he ask us?
I did. I said, are you guys hungry? Do you want food? And you guys were
Maybe
like,
you had
nah.
an internal dialogue while you were so
No,
hungry with your
no.
stomach.
No. I remember. Because I remember in my head, I made the decision. If they say no, I'm ordering right now. And I said, you guys hungry? No. Click. When I got filet. And I give you guys fries.
When he got us fries, he didn't ask us. Yeah, he didn't ask us.
100%
Confirmed.
Maybe you guys were
No,
not
because me
paying
and Rams made a
attention.
joke. We were like, how about if we were hungry?
Dude, I always ask every single time.
Yeah, that time? That time you just had an internal dialogue. Oh, okay. I just got invalidated, guys. The news was positive. So I'm gonna stay patient here and wait this one out. But I did get stopped out right there.
I would love for this close to like not leave without me and just dump.
So we'll see what goes on here. This is off of
wanna get in early.
CE. So this is why I didn't want to enter the short just yet. Waiting for a crack of that CE to potentially go long. If it reclaims 80, I'm still going to take the trade. The exact same one. Even 75.
I'm going to wait for this close. I'm going to wait for this close.
Could also, like, another potential move is taking the long off of the CE and risking 15 to 20. Looks like it's testing under. So bottom of that structure is 45.50. Did you just moan?
I'm in the short.
You heard that too, right, Rams?
I am in the short.
Me and John might be in reversed positions here.
We
Short
might.
term right now is definitely.
I mean, what's your PT though?
What's my PT? At least minimum high of day. I want to see if it breaks out of 75 here. Literally any
We will
break of
see.
75 to 80. I'm going to smack it.
Prophub is reversed right now.
Yeah, he hit a
You like
reverse.
that joke? You like it?
So if it can hold the 60 on a higher time, I will look for an entry. Or if it closes on a 5-minute above that structure, which it's not. So it closed above CE on a 5-minute, didn't close above that structure. So I'm moving over to a 3-minute, and that has a minute left on clock, and I need that to be above 75. If we can get enough momentum through the 80, then I'll just enter as opposed to just waiting for the close there. 33 seconds. Testing that 75. 20 seconds. Here's the 80. This is where it gets crucial for me. Six seconds and back under 75.
6
2,
seconds.
1. Closed. Closed
6
and test back
seconds.
under. Oh,
Wait, where's your SL?
I'm not in
Oh, okay. I was trying to calculate if we could both win, if we were both in.
from the best. Just give us that fake ass sweep so we can get in for real.
For reals?
For reals.
Is that for reals?
For reals.
Are you guys for reals? Adobo? Who can sink a shot from their chair?
So, guys, we have 2 nets, as you guys can see. One is absolutely cracked and like really hard. The other one is like playing on easy mode.
Watch
And
this.
yesterday on our hard net, I just could not miss on it. It was so nice. Closed above 75 again, but the fact that it keeps testing under, I just have to wait it out.
I miss.
I might arguably say we have to wait for the POC again, which was our previous entry criteria.
You bricked. You didn't miss. Shut up. Yo, how about this? If I make this, you want to give away an account today?
Sure.
I bet. Fuck you guys. You're not getting shit. Let's see it. See if Ace of Trades is a baller. Maybe he is taller. A shot call. There's no way you just did that. Guys, by the way, I am in a short. And I'm just waiting. Did that go in? I think he scored. Wait, so are we giving away an account because you scored? Oh, you didn't score? I don't know. I didn't see it. Chat, did you see it? I couldn't see it. Did he score? Yeah? I don't know. I don't believe you. I think you just want a free account. Oh, man. Here, just into me. No. Oh, Jesus.
Again, you ready?
No, I'm not ready. No. Chill. Almost took out his own monitor, for real. He's gonna enter a trade. I wish I was a little bit taller. I wish I was a baller. I wish I was Patelka and Shrek shot caller. Yo, who's in this short with me, by the way? I am curious. I am potentially curious. My fill is literally ass, but I'm in that bitch. My SL's at the high, like 115. Which forced me to go lighter than usual just to... What's TP? You know, I was thinking about it. Realistically, if you want like a trim, I'll give you some trims. A trim would be 32. Below that, 25,006 to 25K around there. I potentially low-key want to like sweep out opening candle though. We have different numbers. My price is at 24,850.
How would if I like it?
What?
Looks like
Wait, do you have? Wait, what?
Okay, I can't figure.
Yo, Ace. Well, how do you fix that issue again? Realme Bruh's price is at 24,850. Remember there was a time where the same shit happened to me, where my price was like super off.
he might be at the wrong contract. He's on H.
Oh, you're on H. You have to go to M. MNQM. There was a rollover. Yeah, my fill is ass. My fill is 60.
That's my C.
Ah, very interesting. But I am expecting a pushers downs. I wish I was a baller, and I wish I was taller. Ha. Wait, Chad, I'm actually curious. Based on just what you've seen of us, how tall do you think we are? How tall am I, and how tall is Ace? I'm curious.
5'4".
5'7". That's ridiculous.
More like 6.
5'10" ish, 5'9", 5'4'8". You are 6 foot. Ace is 5'10". 6'1". Oh, I'm printing a little bit. Is that yesterday's high of day or low of day? Yeah, yesterday's high of day is at 31. That would be first slight trim. I'm low-key gonna hold past that though. Me and Ace are the exact same height basically. Wow, Ace looks 5'8", you look 6 foot. We're both 6 foot. Didn't we see who was taller last time?
Chat was,
Cap.
but it literally, you know what it is? It just depends on whatever shoes we're wearing that day.
That's also true. Ace looks 5'8". Wow. You know what's funny?
Pat, I look 5'8" because I'm fucking thick as shit, bitch.
That right there was bruh, what was your fill? What was your peel? JJ, just say when you're out. Yeah, relax. I'm still in.
Bro, your contract, Realme Bra, has 0 liquidity. Your spread is probably like
Wait, are
through
you
the
in?
roof.
Wait, are you
Yeah, because you can
in?
still trade it
Wait, so you're in on the M or on the H?
on the H.
You're in on the H Wait, what's your fill? Wait, I don't even understand. Even if he tells me his fill is in like the 24,000 because the contract is weird. I don't understand.
No other way on TradeC. I just wouldn't trade on TradeC right now. Why are you guys risking it? On illiquid stuff, on illiquid index.
All right, right here, that would be technically first trim if you're in that short. I'm still gonna hold it though. No bad place. I could minimize risk. Put SL at to like 85.
I wish I was a baller. I wish I was
5-ish.
taller.
I'll minimize it a little bit. There we go. Put it to 99.
If we can head underneath previous day high and then underneath 25,020, I'll definitely get into that short with you. Until then, I'm not touching.
I'm expecting previous day high to hold. I mean, not to hold, to break. To not hold is what I mean. Wait,
The
that look
volume
weird?
is just ass.
I know. I opened a small position. Huh, I understand. Euro's fading me. Dookie Bopti. I don't know what that means. All I know is I'm green.
If it can break 45, 50, even 50. If it breaks 50, I'll probably get into that long earlier than that 75 now.
Wish I was a little bit taller. I wish I was a baller.
And then short, if it can hold underneath previous day high at 31. And then obviously we have that room at 20 for a massive potential bounce.
Bro, I don't even know how to read Realme Bruh's chart. Actually, it's like very similar.
We're getting wikis.
I'm expecting a Dumpskis.
Yeah, the short is definitely a lot nicer. There, if you guys had that 31 filled, like John said, you would have got filled right there. Currently sitting at 25. There's 20 getting tested,
Oh yeah.
and that would have been my room for shorts.
And
But
I'm
this
gonna
thing is
take a
just
little
going without
trim right
me.
there.
This thing is going without me. What was that other previous day high? At 20. Literally at 20.
I took my trim after that Dumpski. I wanted to see at least a tap of monthly anchored as second trim, but we got pretty close, so I just took it anyway. Very, very nice.
Very, very nice. Very,
Very, very
nice.
nice,
Very
very cool.
kind.
Now I will take my second trim. Like I want to break a 25K. I'm not gonna lie. I think we might just have pretty nice dumpy. And if we don't, that's okay. I already trimmed, secured some profits. Ace, have you traded 1 minute fibs? Bro, Ace has traded everything. We've traded moon cycles. Get on our level. You ever looked at the moon to find your TA?
I can't believe that was like an
It works.
insane thing.
Like it actually worked.
I'm not going
too.
to hear that it works. I don't
Bro,
want to hear.
If you guys, if
Okay,
you go
wait,
on
wait,
Trading
wait,
View
wait,
and you
wait,
type
wait,
in
wait,
moon
wait, wait, wait,
cycles and
wait,
you
wait,
go on a higher
Wait,
time
wait,
frame,
wait, 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 wait. X on conversation. Who remembers when I was dating a witch?
what?
Only Euro?
Get
Do you
back.
remember that, Rams?
Get back.
I was like, bro, we can't be friends.
For real. Don't talk about JJ like that. That's pretty funny. You dated a witch?
Yes, I dated a witch, and
Why would you do
she
such
was
a thing?
telling me, she was like, you should really consider using the moon cycles. And bro, I wanted to just off her right there. I would have been like, yo, honestly, get out of my place, get out of my condo. How dare you try to tell me TA by trading a moon cycle right now? Is Mercury in retrograde? Is
That's
Saturn in
crazy.
the right positioning for
That is
Virgo
crazy.
to be aligned as your moon? Like, bro, what? Low key, did you hear her out? No, bro. This girl was telling me to get my money up, not my funny up.
That's just demonic, man.
Uranus drinking Gatorade. That's so good. That is so good. Holy shit.
Yo, I actually love that. I just read Real Me Bro. Remember we were getting people up on stage to make us laugh for free premium for a month? If
Yeah.
Nick Cece went up on stage and said that, Uranus drinking Gatorade, that
Oh,
would have been a
yeah.
winner.
Easy.
That would have been a winner.
There's your monthly anchored VWAP
There's
right
the
here. If
second
we can
trim
crack
if you
that
guys wanna take a nice
25K.
trim.
Man, John, nice trade, baby. Nice
Thanks,
trade.
brother.
There's
That
off
is
of
60
25K.
points already.
I want to see if I can get the bounce off of 25K, actually.
I'm gonna trail candle per candle.
That's what I'm going to do. And I'm putting my stop literally underneath this wick.
Bruh, by the way, at that bottom at 25K, I am majority out. I'm literally holding one micro now.
So I am opposite position to John now after he just absolutely printed. And I'm currently up 10 points. Wick at the bottom. And there's already a 1-to-1 coming in. And if you guys want it to be conservative, 30 is going to be your take, obviously, with that previous day high getting tested. From that point, I'm just going to trail. And we're 5 points away, so you guys could use a dynamic R. I'm just going to set myself at basically B.
Yo, Real Me Bro, did you print? Show me you printed, bro.
If we crack previous day high, I might even add in. There
Yeah, I'm
it
fully
is.
out.
There it is. And dragging both my stops up. Now I'm leveraged inside of this trade. Putting that first stop right at that previous day high at 31. So just literally right below it. And there it goes. Pushing.
W
Beautiful
long,
fucking
holy.
recatch, guys. And there's that regression. Dragging that first stop all the way through. Currently up 2K on this position. And we're
Beautiful
about to
long.
see 50. First trim just got out. And keeping my stop right there at, basically it has to be at like high, but I'm going to say 36. Oh, I got tapped. Nice trade, guys. Made
Good
back
shit.
a lot of that loss right
Good
there.
shit.
And that's holding. So honestly, the trade is still valid.
Bro,
The trade is definitely still valid. I'm gonna be so honest with you guys.
We're actually printers. We're like HP.
I wish I was still in. I was really aggressive with that stop. If it can hold at 50, I'm gonna get in a little bit more. She comes down to 27. Validate. So I'm trying to find a second leg here. Still in a regular position, not light. Oh, there it goes. Fuck.
Beauty.
I wish I was in full position right now. That was sexy. So any holds of this 60, we're definitely going to go see that 80, 75 to 80 again. It just needs to hold 60, to which I'd add in. There we go. Get aggressive with those stops once again. 4.
For real, Guabi. How did I pick the worst brand? I'm not going to lie. I think HP is the only brand that I know.
So I'm going to watch out for that 78, 75, 78 for potential fills. Watch there.
And we can go Buster.
Where is Boston?
Wait, what brand? HP? Yeah, HP. What other printer brand is there than HP?
Lexar or shit like that.
Adobo?
What's your favorite word?
Epson gang. Canon. Wait, hold on. I do know a lot of printers.
I don't want it to be below 45 again, guys. Otherwise, that was just a nice pop and invalidated. But nice catch nonetheless. Good shit.
Nice. I'm basically BE. Good shit, Adri.
Good stuff.
When you say printer, I thought you meant printing cash. I did. I actually did. That's exactly what I meant. I caught 60 points, and then Ace. What was your entry? Did you also catch 60?
Basically.
Wow. So
But it wasn't a full 60 because of...
You were waiting for the reclaim? Oh, no, because you scaled in.
I scaled in.
Yeah.
Here's that
understand.
push again, guys, above 60. So we need to hold that 60, which is our CE, like I've been saying. I think it will. But then we do have potential trims at 74 and at 80. So I'd be careful there. I'm currently set at 80. I'm going to say 85. But that's just me like having a PT in case we do get a pop and then a potential drop. I'd even say like 79. But I do want to get in a little bit more, but that's just me being aggressive. You guys don't have to be as aggressive as me. I just want to hold 60 for me to be reactive like that.
Bro, that's a reel right there.
It's a real.
That's actually a reel. Me banging the short on the way down, and then as soon as I'm
who
like
you
fully
banging?
out, I bang that short. And as soon as I hit my major trim, basically final TP, you flipped, banged the long. And
Yeah, that was a
together,
massive glizz.
we be banging. Bang the shorty? No cap, man. Come on.
No kizzard, famo.
Yeah.
Have you guys ever heard Toronto slang? It's probably the most disgusting thing you'll ever hear in your life. Literally go on TikTok or Instagram or YouTube and type in Toronto slang.
Bro, it's gotten worse.
It's literally, it doesn't even make sense anymore.
It's gotten like so high pitched now. Like it used to be high pitched all the time. It's like yeah. But now it's like
cruddy.
Loki, that's me. No, you're not even.
Oh,
like,
there's pasta.
Yeah, he's been here.
Oh, sorry,
No,
pasta.
but you're not even close.
You're not even a true pasta.
Like you're not even close. Trust me, I have a boy.
Whoa.
He's not like
You're gay?
He's not. Ooh, what? That joke was not good.
Beer just stays in my mouth. In my mouth, beer just stays.
Pause
Anyways, there it
season.
is, guys. There's that
no.
70, like I said, was going to get filled. So up to 75, I'd watch there. It's holding 60, pretty nice, which is what I wanted. And I'm going to get aggressive with it now. So let's drag my stops and see what can happen, what magic could occur. There we go.
Oh.
So moving that first stop all the way up.
Hey.
Nice catch. Got filled. Last one here. And holding it just right under 50, I would say.
No. You know what? Let me see if I can find some.
Multiple legs on this. Could have been caught. Beautiful. Beautiful.
What year do I have to go to? Probably like 2017. Holy.
Set my all the way up now. Because we can go pastor. Tell me the password. Flat city. Flat city. Know what I'm. Hold 60 so I can run it back one last time. Otherwise, it's down. Holding 50, but underneath 60. Not a big fan of it. Probably going to get stopped out here. Let's see. Not more than 39. Held 50. Fly City.
Bro, I have one video that's so bad, and
Pasta.
it's me recording a replay at for 2K. So like that was like definitely the worst. Like I'm literally playing 2K. So you could just imagine how bad that was.
I can't imagine. Do you want to play it for the people?
I'm trying to find it. I don't know if I'll play it for the people, but I'll show you.
That's fair.
Pretty sure
Your 60 needs to hold that 60,
I
and
want to get canceled.
I'll still get aggressive with it. Had multiple legs here. But if it definitely fails this time, then she's coming back down at least to your previous day high. Back in green. I don't like the fact that it hasn't even tested 75 yet, so this trade just could be done. We'll see.
I understand. Oh no.
Fly City, Fly City. Hold in. Staying patient. I'm going to stay in this position. Go lighter, actually.
But it's just not loading because it's snap. I might give up.
So,
Oh, you guys want to see something tough? Actually, hold on. Watch this.
how tough?
Pretty dope.
2 and 2. Stop. Really testing that CE, guys. Good TA in terms of our levels worked out perfectly, holding structure at the base, testing 70 right here. So if you guys want to minimize risk, you guys definitely can. There's that 75 finally getting tested.
Let it load.
If it can break 75, I want to move this first stop all the way up to like 74. I mean, there it is. So I'm going to move it 73, 74. So if it comes back down, I'll be less leveraged inside of this trade, and I'll be okay with that. 71. But testing 75 structure right now, it needs to hold up. That was just shy of 80 at 79.
Ace, put pasta on game so he can do trading pasta.
Got filled, and now we are less leveraged inside of this trade, guys. Nice moves overall. Very nice moves.
It's over. Over. It's far from over. Huh. Last name ever. My first name is greatest.
Like a sprained ankle? Man,
Oh,
I'm not nothing to play with. I started up local.
But thanks to all the haters.
ING for Apollo.
I know.
I changed the lyrics.
I know G-Force pilots. On the first name basis.
I changed the lyrics. You didn't like it?
Nah.
We can't get Rezos. We cannot get Rezos. What the fuck is that? Is what Pasta said.
What the fuck is that?
You've never heard of a Filipino forever?
You never heard of adobo?
Have you ever tried adobo?
No.
No. You've definitely tried adobo seasoning. Like literally every
Probably.
person uses it now, like all cuisines. But in terms of like real adobo, probably haven't tried that.
I don't even know what
But
adobo
adobo
is.
seasoning, for sure you've had. Like I see white people putting that shit in their food, and they only use salt and pepper, so that says a lot.
That's facts. You guys want to see something cool from 2018? Look at that. Look at that. You see that?
Is that Drake?
Yeah.
Oh, I have one of Drake.
I was like, hey, were you this close though? Look at that.
Closer.
Cap. That's like 3 people in front of me. And then him.
I was closer.
I'm not even zoomed in on this video.
I was closer.
What, were you sucking his cock?
I didn't know it was a competition.
Ace was docking. That's funny. It's okay. I'm not a fan of Drake anymore. He got cooked by Kendrick Lamar.
Coming down, and that's under 60, under 50, testing 40, and that's underneath previous structure at 45. So we'll see if that comes back down to our previous day high. And I'm lighter in that position now, so a lot happier I did that.
Yo, that's pretty close. There's no way you're like, I don't think you can be closer.
There was one person ahead of me.
Yeah, but look how far he is. Like, this isn't zoomed in at all. Zero zoom.
I'm not zoomed. On everything. Look, there's 2 phones ahead of me. So we're basically in the same row. He's just on a stage, so he's higher. Yeah, that's a tiny stage. This was a massive stage.
I understand. I understand. I understand. I mean, look at this.
You know what he was singing here? Yeah. Look
Look at
what he
that.
was singing here. John.
Look at him dancing. Oh, look at him. He's dancing. What? No way. Hey there, Delilah. Wait, are you in the trade still or no?
I'm still in. It
Oh.
reclaimed off of that 40 back into 56, retesting 60. I haven't been invalidated below the previous day high, but I did minimize my risk by securing at, I believe it was like 70. So I'm in my half position, I would like to say, even though it's not half because I like to trade these aggressively.
You know who was also super banger live that was also there? Jesse Reyes.
Eh,
You know Jesse Reyes?
yeah, I do. You know, she doesn't shave her armpits.
Huh, well, I don't listen to her armpits.
But no, man, I don't know if I can associate with anyone who's not willing to shave their armpits.
No, she's banger.
Like, is that weird to say? Like, I get it, feminism, all of that.
I don't
Do what
get
you
it.
want to do. Like,
Nope, I don't get it.
like, do what you want to do.
No, I don't get it. Don't do what you want to do. Shave that shit.
You are disgusting.
Shave
I mean,
that
do you shave
shit.
yours?
My armpits?
Yeah,
What am I? I'm a man.
I trim mine.
Okay, trim. That's fine. You know, I understand the trim.
There we go. Back at 70, guys. Back at 70. So again, once it touches 75, dragging that first add-in all the way up, like right now.
Don't get me
And
started.
here's 80.
I will get canceled.
I'm gonna put it right above BE. Let it breathe just a tiny bit, so it can actually
shit.
break 80 this time. If it doesn't, then that's whack.
I found the video.
These bitches, me a criminal. You know what I actually might do? I just might completely invalidate the whole trade, and just get in whenever it's actually confirmed. Because if it rejects again off of this 80, probably done.
That's valid as a strategy.
See.
JJ talking like he got tarantula armpits. Nah, I just don't shave them.
Guys, he's Middle Eastern. Those things are crazy.
They're actually not.
Show them. Let me see. Oh no. Whoa! That's you barely have shit.
Because they're also like They're like light.
No, but that's barely. Yo, you should see mine when I don't like shave or trim.
You see
Yo,
my pubis.
mine. Yo, listen, John. When I put my arm down,
She's also 13.
John. When I put my arm down, it's literally popping out. That's
Mine
how long
still
it
pops
is.
out 'cause it's
But
longer.
barely.
Okay, what do you want to have a armpit?
It's like yours is a
competition?
pussy. What do you mean? It looks nice. It looks nice.
Look at it.
I don't like that I got invalidated at such an
No problem.
ugly point for it just to hold.
Shirts off, boys. How does he have a beard?
Tarps off.
He's Middle Eastern.
Literally. He's Middle Eastern, guys. He's a hairy mother.
Oh, you should see. You know, I'm gonna find a pic when I grow up my beard. It was a little too much. I looked like a hobo. See if I can find it.
All right, guys. Let's see if we can finally get back to 100 or break this POC. Crucial levels. Bang! There we fucking go, guys. All the way from the bottom. Touching POC now. This is just over 80 points from when I called it out. But from my first position after add-ins, I am currently up 71, 72 points here. And on this current position from 67 was up 16 points. And I've just been trading this massive range for a good while now. Here it's retesting after that POC. So after a hold of that POC, I'll probably get back in with a fuller position.
I'm trying to find my big ass beard.
Aggressive. Get aggressive.
I can't find it. R.I.P. Oh, look at this. You want to see my chesticles? Ha ha ha! Look at my titties.
What the fuck? He's showing y'all his titties.
She said, "You know me." I tell her only partly.
Hold up, baby.
Can't we find the Toronto accent? Dude, I was trying. I couldn't find it. Wait, hold on. This might be it.
Lock in, fam. Retesting 70, broke 75, so probably coming back down, and hold trade is now finished if it does.
Yo, you know what's
Wanna be
crazy?
looser.
I found it, but there's no audio for some reason. That sounds like the biggest lie ever, but it's true.
That's so cap.
No, look, I even downloaded it from Snap. Look, it's like grayed out.
Maybe because you're saying bad words.
What?
Holding 65. After that test of 80, it was nice. Coulda, shoulda, woulda taken. Holding 70 now. Holding 75.
Arthur Toronto slang JJ. You talking about like Arthur, like the show? Arthur? What was that guy's name? Toronto guy Cody? And then he
Oh,
disappeared.
yeah. I
And then he-
forgot
and then
about
he-
him.
Yeah, and then he like fully disappeared.
One of my friends was like best friends with him, and she
Really?
made a YouTube, and she has like over 100K now.
Do you know what happened to him? Because he like was popping, and then he just completely stopped doing like any content
I
at
have
all.
zero clue. Oh, we're getting aggressive here, guys. Probably coming down. Just got stopped after trying to be super aggressive. There it is off of 50. I want to see if it drops below 50 and comes all the way back down, or if it reclaims that 50. I'm just getting gambly now. Horrible to say, but on evals, you guys know I like to get aggressive, still being smart. Saw green at the top there, but didn't get the hold that I wanted. That's gross. I know. I'm sorry. I know. I'm sorry. He said, "Girks your head top." That's what he said.
Bro, I can't find it.
Let's see if it reclaims 60. That's going to be the key factor here. If I want a long still.
Honestly, that one short might just be like my only trade I take.
Honestly, very fair. How much you up, baby?
690.
6-7.
Oh, actually, yes, I'm up 6-7. You've got to be. No, not much. I went light because my SL had to be pretty high. and then we reversed that 25K, which I was expecting to be potentials. But I didn't take full out because if we broke 25K, I was expecting like
Full flush.
low-key another 100 points.
Yeah. No, I agree.
So I will take that risk.
That's why I took the bounce because it was a quick invalidation.
Yeah.
For potential reversal.
I'm up something light.
Testing that 45 still from your morning structure 5-minute. Oh, oh yeah? Oh yeah? No, I'm saying oh yeah to you. Your song.
Oh, you like that song?
No. Coming back down, there's 40. Couldn't hold 45, and we're probably going to see our previous day high get tapped. Holding 45 again. Such a shitty PA both of these days, unless you caught your short or my initial long.
Mm-hmm.
Like those were really the only two moves for today's session. And then a potential short off of that 60 right
yeah,
now.
FOMC tomorrow.
Yep. FOMC, baby.
Which, if any of you guys have, wait, no, actually, that doesn't even
Don't
work.
say it.
Okay.
Don't say it.
I won't.
They are going to get gambly. Also, most non-consistency
I know
props.
that's what I was gonna say.
But after 2 minutes,
And trust me, it's gonna last more than 2 minutes.
testing 50.
CPI method. Don't share the method. Method is
Yeah,
only
do you
for
know the
true
CPI
people.
method for passing evals? Everyone,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you just double side it.
35 points up, down.
Mhm.
These bitches love.
If you know, you know.
Let me know.
If you know, you know.
If you know, you
what I
know.
mean. Yo, chat, top 3 rappers all time. Let me see it right now.
You said this last time. You've
Did
done
I?
this before.
I don't remember.
Can it get above 60, guys?
Ace, JJ, and Rams. Done. That's the only right answer. Dylan. Who the hell is Dylan? Selena Gomez. Valid.
Miley Cyrus.
Lady Gaga. Valid. Hillary Duff. Favorite rapper of all
Oh
time.
my goodness. Don't even get me started with Hilary Duff. That girl is gorgeous, bro. That ass is fought.
What?
You don't agree?
Hillary Dupperson?
She's such a sleeper, bro.
Hillary Dupperson?
Yeah.
Manny
No.
Pacquiao?
Apparently, like, it's getting full, and a lot of people were saying it's ass, but it's just nostalgic. Yeah, me too. There we go. I'd also watch the I caught that, Rhymes. Don't worry. There's it above 70, guys. Putting my trim up. Boom, filled. And here's the next one. Good question.
Oh, you can't hear it.
Yeah, we're gonna get flagged for copyright.
Is this copyright?
I don't know.
Sometimes when we
Here we are at POC again, so I'd be careful here, moving my stop all the way up. And if I get stopped, I get stopped. We'll see.
My favorite singer is Manny Pacquiao. I'm trying to rage bait JJ. What did he say? Hold on.
See if we can get that it's gonna be a massive pop if it
Anyone
does
but
break. So
Kendrick?
adding.
Hmm.
Right.
Sorry, but you can't rage bait something that is so obviously rage bait. That's like me saying,
I want
we
the
are not
crack here,
hunters.
guys, at POC and our ADR high, but it needs to break 100.
What?
There's 90. literally off of that 25K, guys, trading it, stop leg
Mhm.
after leg.
I think they should push more.
Yeah, it just needs to hold that 80. So I have my stops literally right above B at 78. It could literally wick me and then push, which would suck.
Pasta. Don't make me bring up the other side's allegations. Those are a lot worse.
I have a fill at 97.75, to which I'd probably add back in if it cracks 100. You could even do like 94, the top that wick at 92, depending on how loose or tight you be.
Hmm. Who's green for today though? I feel like
I was green multiple times,
everybody
and
should.
I just keep going aggressive.
Mhm.
Got one pretty big juicy stop, and then got back in.
Yeah,
And
it's kind of
now,
working.
if I get filled, then I'll reduce a lot of that loss.
I'm in the same boat with Ace. I understand. I get it. I mean, one of the main reasons I'm completely okay with only taking that 160-point
Ooh,
trade is
ooh,
FOMC tomorrow.
ooh! My
What?
stop. It literally like was right on top of it. It was like maybe like two ticks, maybe a full point. That's it. It's getting pretty aggressive here though, guys. Probably again, like I said, could easily wick me out and then push. That
Yeah.
structure at 74 is probably like the safest SL, 73, 72. So if it tests it like and it rejects, then obviously the trade is done. But could easily literally like test it, pop off of it, and it's literally just playing structure with higher highs. And so watch out. They really want the giveaway, man. So we do giveaways every single day now on our Instagram, here on Discord, and on YouTube. We did 4 yesterday. On Friday, we did 6. We have another 5 to give away today. So,
Yep.
you know what?
Yo, that's a fucking banger print. You see that? That's a banger pick. Real me, bro.
That is a banger pick. I'm going to keep a little bit more
I like
risk.
that. That's good.
6'9", damn you fine. One more time. I just don't want it to go back to 60, especially after testing that PLC. To be so honest. So that's kind of where my head is at right now. Testing that PLC again.
I hope luck is on my side today. It's not about luck. It's about statistical analysis because we are statisticians.
Guys, that is John's favorite line. We'll be at the gym. And he's like, I'm going to hit chest because I'm a statistician. I'm like, wait, what? How does that make sense?
It's based off my contention.
You know, we're actually using that word wrong.
Oh yeah, 100%.
Like, even like structurally wise in a sentence,
it makes no
makes zero sense.
I
It
mean-
literally means like argument. Where you're like, what is our contention?
I mean, when I say my contention is contentioning, I'm pretty sure that that's not correct. Ace, if this goes up right now,
What
I'm
is the
higher up the
convention?
fucking wall.
Is it an invention?
We'll never know. Elevation Era, there is a giveaway today. Hop in the Discord, which is 100% free to join, my brother. It's pinned. Click the link.
I feel like people are doing that as a meme right now. But yeah, there are giveaways today, so make sure to join the audience right now. So what we're going to do, John, we are going to give away 3 more of those TOF accounts.
Mm-hmm.
And then 2 of them, let's give away to the audience for the people that kick it with us nonstop, even during boring ass PA. So everyone who is currently in the Discord. So if you're on YouTube, make your way over to the Discord. It's 100% for free. And we can set that up. Banger.
I know.
Follow back.
type shit.
Follow back.
I just hit that.
I like that it's holding that POC now on the 5 minute. I want to get aggressive even more. Put my stop literally at BE for basically all. And if it pops, it pops. If it doesn't, then it is what it is. And I'll probably call it after that. Let's move stop.
Yeah.
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 Yeah. For these next days, Ram. So just got stopped there at BE, basically. Still holding 2 contracts. I got to make sure I got my. I like that's tested. And with a nice whip. Back in.
Fit.
I feel like I'm losing off commissions now. Just entering and exiting when I could have just held the same position. You guys ever do that? Catch multiple legs, get a little scalpy with it. And you know that you're good at scalping. Ooh, and here it comes back down. Wow. Sometimes when we touch, it all just seems too much. Join the Discord. Join the Discord. Hey, hey, hey. Join the Discord. 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 Join the. After the Discord?
Join
Honestly-
the Discord. Adopt the tag. Adopt Phub. Tab the tag Phub in the Discord chat. Look, when I type, see how it says Phub next to my typing? You click the Phub.
Next to my contention?
Next to my contention, you click Phub and then you click Adopt tag. Or if you go to the top left where it says Prophub Incorporated, you click Server tag and then you adopt tag. I need to see a drunk S plus drunk Ace.
I need to see a
Philippine
drunk
cross.
contention.
That'd be hilarious, actually.
I need to see a drunk contention.
Is your contention
I
contention?
could get stopped here, guys. Let's see. Getting crazy aggressive with it, as you guys can see. Literally have been green multiple times throughout this whole move. But I just doing my thing.
Just doing my thing.
I just doing my thing. Whoa, 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 whoa. My stack that sells makes 0 cents. You know when you click it way too many times? And then it all
Understand.
stacks, and then you click it again because you're not sure, and then next thing you
Hold on,
know,
real
you
quick.
have a
Real-
1,000 orders.
Real quick, this is very important. Look how many people we have in the audience.
42.
No, it's actually 6-7.
You loser! Guys, it is literally sideways. Nothing going on. And it is holding above our level at 60. Retesting that structural 5 minute at 75. Again, if it holds 75 to 83, I'm still a fan. But if it breaks under 60, I'm not a fan. But adding in a lot more risk here. So it's like, what do we do? But I have my PT set right above to reduce a lot of that risk at 92 and 97. So I'm just waiting.
That's actually a very good argument, or that's a good debate. What's better,
What?
6-9 or 6-7?
6-9.
I know 6-9 is OG, but what makes you laugh more?
I don't know. Why am I laughing? I feel good on 6-9.
I'm talking about the actual number.
I
Like
don't care
saying
about
it.
the fucking number. I'm talking about the position.
Wait, is your name Morik or Morich, or is it Maurice?
Whoa, was that racist?
No, have you ever seen that movie?
Were you just being racist?
No, it was a movie. Maurice. You have to wear this chastity belt.
Tested 80 again, popped back down. Testing 80 again. Guys, if this thing pops, it's gonna pop. That's kind of what I'm waiting for, but just gotta wait it out.
Moto.
Hello, Moto. Here it goes, 86. Can we
Nice.
finally get the move, or is it done here? To which we should probably call it.
Maybe it's based off your contention.
Oh!
Yeah. Have you ever seen Love Guru? The movie? Love Guru?
I think long time. That's
With
an
Mike
old
Myers?
one. Yeah.
bro. Rewatch it. That shit is so.
Yeah, I'm
funny.
supposed to rewatch Interstellar for everyone, and I still haven't done that.
Yeah, you need to.
Yeah.
This guy thought Interstellar was. What did you think it was?
Bird Box.
Bird Box. Yeah, no, that movie's.
It's funny because I remember Interstellar, like I know, but I don't know why in my head it's not Anne Hathaway, and I love Anne Hathaway, which is the crazy part. Yes and no, because I love the proposal.
Watch the proposal, like
I love the proposal. Yeah, that one's a good movie. And she's like, oh, I don't know, bro.
Production is a little too excited about Sandra Bullock. He's done it again. Hold on, real quick. Ken asked you how many cons are you in on this trade right now? But
I'm in 6.
but preface it with it's evals and
It's
he's going
evals.
super
We're going
on purpose.
aggressive. I've scaled in. I've scaled out of this trade. I've seen green. I've seen red. And I personally, I'm just taking my trade, trading how I usually would, just a lot more leveraged inside of it. And then from there, trying to manage out the trade, meaning like if I could reduce my risk while securing profit, adding back in during crucial levels, then that's exactly what I'm doing. Here's it at 86 again, which it keeps testing, guys. Is that 86?
Mariska Hargitay, Jessica Simpson.
Here's
Oh,
92.
AK's a legend.
What happened?
He said
AK. Wait.
AK who I think AK is? Oh my god, it is AK.
I don't think it is. I don't
my
think
God.
that's the AK that I think it's the AK.
That is the AK. Wait, no, that's not your.
No, that's not my AK.
No,
Is that your AK?
That's my AK.
Yeah,
and I
that's
didn't
not my
realize it's-
AK.
Wait, wasn't it you who was trying to rage?
I thought it was
me?
my AK.
Oh my god, it was you. I didn't even notice this whole time.
Here we go, guys. 87, 88 got tapped. I'm at 92.
so funny.
Again, like I
Bro,
could easily reduce risk right here. And I haven't done that. Here's 90 getting tapped. I'm right there at 92, 2 points away, and going to
Break that
get
high.
not failed.
No, it'll go for the
And
high.
not going to get
Oh,
failed.
you knew AK. You know AK. At the dinner, the Christmas party.
Pasta's AK?
Yeah,
Oh yeah,
it's Pasta's AK.
yeah. I know AK. What's up, AK?
I knew the Jessica Simpson line would expose. Yeah, I know. As soon as I saw it, I was like, wait a minute, AK. There's no way. ES is holding us back for real. It actually is.
Sometimes when I touch,
It is holding daily.
it
VWAP
all
though,
just seems too much.
Wait, did you not get filled?
Nope. I was still 2 points away. Or technically 1.75.
Hold on. Let me make a call to production.
One
and
point-
I'll tell them to flip it.
You know what's crazy though? After that test, if it comes for another test, it's probably going to get the pop to 100. So I'm just going to stack both at 100. That's the game plan. And I also want an invalidation at like 7 now.
I'm up plus 37 on the day. Might be done here. Hey, it's a good day to be done.
Yeah, for real.
Tomorrow's
It's literally
FOMC.
sideways that shit. John, you want to run that giveaway? Throw everyone's name in the chat.
Tomorrow is FOMC and PPI. How do you do it? You just chat GPT all the names in here for the giveaway? Wait, but which giveaway is it? It's a regular giveaway? Is it a regular giveaway? Oh, regular giveaway. All right, chat. Listen, every single person in chat. Oh, from socials? Okay, we'll give it like 2 minutes so that you have to be in the Discord. Good trading. Thanks, brother Jacob. What was I saying?
Brother Jacob in here?
No, that's not actual brother Jacob. I just happened to say brother, and his name happened to be Jacob.
Bruh.
So to be a part of the giveaway, just be in the Discord, and that's basically it. And also have the Phub tag. So Maurice. You need to adopt the tag. Very simple. Click the top left where it says Prophub. Click server tag, and then adopt tag, or just click someone else with the tag, and then adopt tag.
64.
Me have the tag. You is right. All right, let me get all these names. Let me chat GPT this.
Done. Sometimes when I touch,
Actually, wait, no, I gotta wait. I'll give it like 2 minutes for the socials people.
it
to
all
pull up.
just seems too much.
Me have the tag too. Haha.
Also, guys, we do giveaways every single day on our Instagram now. As long as you guys can find the code. We had
For real.
Los who just won. the first giveaway, and this coming back down. So let's see if I get stopped or if it finally holds that 7.5 and finally gets the rip above POC. But if not, this thing is just getting wedged right at our POC, which we all know is just a peak of the most transactions. Therefore, it being wedged here and stuck, obviously it makes sense, and we would need to be outside of the peak and head back inside of a trough for a real move to occur.
Jacob said, "Can you explain this NQ trade?"
Bro, whenever you say Jacob, it's tripping me out. It really is tripping me out. So there's 85 once again. I'm going to put on my VPVR just to show you guys exactly what that's looking like
Right
at
here's the
these
pop.
levels.
This is gonna be the pop. Calling it.
The
gonna be the
VPVR is literally going all the way there. So you guys can see here, we basically need to be outside of our 90 for this thing to want to absolutely rip. So 90 itself, so that's why it keeps testing, because that's our edge of this whole peak. So you guys are going to constantly keep getting edge from like 85 to 90. If it breaks 90, then that's the real move, essentially. But then from 90, you obviously have your 100 test, which is also your previous close at 92. So like 93 is probably your best PT conservative here. Or again, once you guys are at that 87 to 93, I would watch out for those levels. There it is at 90 once again. Like there's multiple points here, guys, for a potential trim or to move your stop or do whatever. I'm just chilling. Like I've literally been saying all day today, I've been aggressive. I've seen green, I've seen red, currently green on this current trade. And we ended up catching, what was it? Literally 71 points, 80 points all the way through. And then I just got caught in an over leveraged stop that happened, which I might get stopped again right here. So we'll see. Holding that 75. Sometimes when I touch, it all just gets too much.
All right, I got all the names. Wait, chat. Do you want to do duck race or
Did
leprechaun
the person
race?
even come in
What person?
that we were waiting for?
I think so. I gave a good amount of time. Go pull screen. Copy all the names.
Getting a little volatile here.
Yeah, I'll do it in a sec. So I'm ready.
Oh yeah, here. I have to stop sharing screen. So guys, I'm still in the trade. I'll keep you guys updated. I mean, it's not moving.
All right, bet.
I'll let you guys know if I get filled or if I get stopped.
So we are running the giveaway. If you're in this chat, I already have your name and you're already in the giveaway. We're gonna do a duck race.
Because he has to share on socials. Yo, go over to your picture.
Yeah,
camera.
I'll do it. Just give me a sec. Give me a sec.
Hmm?
Oh.
Yeah, I'm about to. Because he's going to share the duck race for socials. Oh.
Sometimes when we touch. All right, what am I doing?
We need this? It's probably going to be done.
Wait, do I... All right, I'm sharing duck race now. And then in the Discord, I will do this.
What are you doing? Tell me now.
And then I will do this. We all good? Can we see? Here are all the names.
When I touch.
Here are all the names. I am gonna remove production though. I saw his name. Sorry, you can't win. Because you're production, and production can't win. Well, that's good for you, but no.
So do we.
Hold on. I actually can't find it right now, so hold on.
Oh!
What?
My PC just fucking hit. I know, but it hit the bonkers. Did you see it?
Yo, am I tripping? Where's his name?
Guys, yesterday, all our PCs were freaking crashing.
Oh, yeah. That was crazy. No, the power was going out, and our UPSs were saving us. All right. What's good? Wait, we're doing one? One account?
We said 2.
2 accounts? All right, we'll do 15
We're
seconds.
nice today.
All right. Who's ready? Chat, are we ready? I gotta see the chat blowing
Sometimes
up real
when
quick.
I thought-
Oh yeah, that short is valid for me. Damn.
Yeah, below 60. So just
Ready?
got tapped,
Ready?
guys. And it all just seems too much.
I don't see my name. Oh, this happens every time. I will find it in 2 seconds. Where is it?
It all just
Oh,
seems too
hold on,
much.
wait 1 second. I swear, I copied all these names. Let me do this again. I almost finessed accidentally. Oh, is it like
I'm
skipping?
gonna get the bounce off of this 50, guys. I'm getting I got the
Alright, watch
bounce off
this.
of 50. I know John is thing. And SL is under that wick.
Hold on, chat. Yes, I understand. There's a lot of people not there. Relax.
Below 50, I will consider flipping position underneath 36 to 31, which is that previous day high again. But holding it on 50, nice bounce.
Everyone's there. Oh, fuck it, I'll keep production. Okay, now everyone should be here. I'm gonna scroll through this list.
Add our names, because if we win, then we're giving it away on socials.
I'm slowly scrolling.
Did you hear me?
Yeah. Everyone make sure you see your name. It should be literally everybody. Looking good? Looking good? Okay. JJ, Ace. Alright, we're good. We're all here. Boom. Are you
Shit,
ready?
I missed my trim. I
That's
was too
okay.
focused on your ducky.
Ha!
And I'm like, at
All right.
60, I'll probably get out of some of this position.
Alright. Where's the start button? Am I
Order
blind?
filled.
Did that trip you out, Rams? Oh,
Set.
you're not wearing your
Here
headset.
we go. Shuffle the characters. There we go. Alright. All my duck needs to do is go faster. Alright, let's see who wins. Ready? And 3, 2, 1. And we're off. Here we go. Let's see who's in the lead. I see another guy who looks like Donald Trump in the lead a little bit. Okay, that's fine. We got not available with his green mohawk. Are we going to have somebody last second coming up? Oh, Jay Flo. Oh, who's that? I can't even see his name. Oh my God. Oh my God. Who is that at the top? Oh, Sportsman 69 is the winner. Congratulations to Mr. Sportsman.
Damn 6'9", damn you fine.
Sportsman is the
one more
winner.
time.
Who is Sportsman?
Oh yeah, make sure to write them down.
Sportsman. You win. Ah. Rigged. All right, let's see who's the most ass. Benihana. Damn, that's crazy. You got cooked. First time W. Where do you want me to rate these? I'll just send them. Sportsman. All right, and we're doing one more. So we're gonna race again. Shuffle. Shit, I didn't get in. I'll add you right now. I got you.
Stop filled.
I got you. How do I go back? Here we go.
Watch the shorts, guys.
Are you actually not in?
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, you're actually not in. I got you. Don't worry, it's fine. You got the tag and everything.
That's off of 31. That's your previous day high.
President.
Any flush underneath there.
Salamat. Adobo. All right, here we go.
Why you keep saying that?
He said it. My duck was dressed as a whole ass dinosaur and I still lost. Yeah, you got cooked. All right, shuffle. Beauty. And for the second account, we're off. Let's see who's going to be the winner over here. I saw Batman at the bottom. That'd be kind of gangster if he won. We got about 8 seconds left. Oh my God, it's me. Am I going to win? Am I a legend? Who the hell is
Am I a
G?
legend?
G is trying to finesse this from me. This is kind of crazy. Oh, wow. G. Who's G?
Crack that 31, guys.
G
The
just cooked.
short is shorting.
G just cooked. Who's G?
It's just
Oh my God,
sometimes
G's
when we
here.
touch,
Hey, G, congrats.
it
You won
all
the account.
just seems too much.
You won the account.
Congrats.
Congratulations.
filled.
Let's see who's last so I can shit on them.
Oh fuck. Oh fuck.
Endles,
Oh shit.
you got cooked.
Oh no. I made a
Who came
mistake.
close, actually? Who's like top 5? 4. Damn, Lumen just made it. Salvi, Eddie, Colton, Kamara, Ace, A, Pop, Buffett.
You see that mistake, Rams?
Pretty close. Wait, was I in there? Yes.
Yeah, you see it now, Ron.
Oh, wait, where's Pasta?
No.
Is he like
Oh,
last?
no.
Or like near last? Where is he? Oh, he's 52nd. Wow. That's kind of embarrassing. Wait, where's AK? 31st. All right. Mid-tier. Very interesting.
Order filled.
Bang.
Order
Let's
filled.
go.
Let's
Let's go.
that is.
I don't know if
Oh,
anyone was
wait.
listening to me with that short. If it didn't
Yo, hold
reclaim that 50, then the short at 50 was going to occur. That's down 30. And I'm still down, but only down 840 now.
You need to look at the chat right now. Do you see what's going on?
No, what's going on? What happened?
Not available said no tag. And then Lumen said no tag. And then he typed in a message and he has the tag. And then Lumen sends a screenshot of him without the tag. And he just changed it.
Ooh.
What? Photoshop? He updated it. We will give it to him.
Ooh.
When did you notice
Notice what?
his tag?
I noticed it when it said. I honestly, I don't know.
If you saw Prophub,
Election fraud.
I want to see if we reclaim here at 31, which is that previous day high now, or if it gets another rejection off of it.
Okay, hold on, wait. Pasta said, "Can I tell you guys what I do as the judge here?" All right, Pasta, you're the judge. It's all on you. Wow, what a good short. Fuck.
It was, eh?
Oh, fuck this duck.
I want to
race.
try to get the
take
long off of that 31 with a quick stop, basically like 25 to 29, or even 23.
Bro, I literally
You
said,
took it to no rams? The short?
bro, I was too busy duck racing. I said I like the short.
Yeah,
at
you were busy.
65.
I was literally yelling, short, short, short.
Oh,
Filled.
Pasta said 1v1 race between G and Lumen, best 2 out of 3. Wait, what?
That would be kind of crazy.
What does the race decide? Oh, between G and Lumen. Oh yeah, G's the one who switched.
Order filled.
Rams is so nice. Just give it to him.
How about this?
because John's
Yeah, but if the members saw it and the members are just trying to follow the rules, then
you know
what?
what I
We're
mean?
never going to listen to the members just because we're falling short? I don't know, man. I hate to play devil's advocate, but I might have to agree with Pasta. They might have to go one-on-one.
I think 1v1, and then what if Lumen
Wait,
wins?
but why is it 1v1 if the
That's what
other
I'm
person
saying.
didn't even win?
So I think it should be let's 1v1, and we'll name one duck Chat and one duck G. And if Chat wins, we
It goes
just
back to chat.
It goes
I
back
like
to
that.
Chat.
I like that.
Yeah, it has to be clean. We have rules for a reason.
Still holding that 31.
You can
Let's
still
see.
win though. You can still win. Let's see. Let's see. Edit list. Here we go. G. Chat. Done.
Under
I'm gonna make this
25.
one 25 seconds. Oh. Traders, you just switched away from P-Hub again. Now we're definitely doing the 1v1. You're a Discord whore.
Stop filled.
All right. Yeah, it's a 1v1. Oh, 1v1. Now he's gonna switch it back. Oh, I don't know.
Order filled.
I'm not liking this. He's being very sneaky, but it's
I
okay.
don't know about that anymore,
okay.
too.
All right, 25 seconds. Are we ready? She fucking twisted back. All right, ready? Are you gonna watch this live too?
One sec.
Wait, I have to wait for production.
filled.
What a fucking good short, man. Holy.
It was. But then it popped all the way back up, reclaimed
But you know what's
the
hilarious?
previous day high, and I got baited.
This is cleaner than my last short. Like I legitimately would have had first take at like 30.
Yeah, still at the previous day high.
Are we good? Okay, ready? 25 seconds. We're gonna run it here. 3, 2, 1, bang. Let's see. So chat had an issue with some rules being broken, which is 100% fair because they were broken. So now it's a 1v1 between G and chat. If G wins, he keeps the account. If chat wins, we re-roll the whole thing over again, which means G could win. It's very possible. Let's see. 7 seconds, 6 seconds, 5 seconds. Is chat gonna come clutch? Oh, it's looking like we're re-rolling. Duck don't lie.
Are we only
running it
doing
back.
ones?
No, we're running it back now with everybody's name again.
Okay. I respect it.
Which G is still in it, so he could win again. And if the
Stop.
ball really doesn't lie, then he'll win again. But that was the only way that it could be fair. All right, here we go. Set this back to 15. Beauty.
Set it back to a statisticians.
Duck don't lie. Statisticians.
Back above previous day high. Testing really nice. Waiting.
All right. Damn, G turned into.
I think the
now.
short
That's
might still
crazy.
be in trade.
Um,
If it heads back under that 30.
I would have just had a trim at previous day. Like I'd still
Yeah.
be in this.
That's what I'm saying. Like if it literally cuts under, then that's sexy.
All right, chat. Let's see some duck race hype. I gotta see it. Once the chat starts moving, I'm gonna start it. Otherwise, I'll just take the account for myself and
Ooh,
full port it tomorrow.
Nice pop off of that previous day high, guys.
All right, we're ready. We're ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Bang. And we're off again. Let's see who is going to win. The second account. Make sure you have code or make sure you have the P-Hub tag. Otherwise, you're cooked. Oh my God, is it going to be Adam G again? At the bottom? He's going to sneak in last second? Wow. Adam G. Where's he at?
Yeah,
Hell
I like
there you
Adam
go.
G.
I like
Adam G's an old student, I believe.
Adam's a goat. Adam's a
Right,
goat.
Adam? You were an old student, if I'm not mistaken.
And there we go. Just like that, balance has been restored in the universe. Rules have been followed. And Adam gets an account.
Order filled.
All I heard was G. Should they both get... No. All right. W Duck Race. You can reshare your screen if you want.
Not just yet.
Ooh, not just yet? Okay. Should we do something for fun?
Wait, you have to do... Oh, I have the list. Shit.
Order filled.
Ooh, Leprechaun Race.
Here it is above 50, guys. So like I said, was going long if it held previous day high. Got my trim out, which pushed my average all the way to 41 now. Testing that 50, and I'm going to have to put my stop literally close to BE, if not just right under it, like 35 at the most, which would be net green on the trade overall. Still red, but we definitely caught some green off of that, which was nice.
Oh, check my rank? Shit, it's too late now.
Got
I'm
rejected
actually
off of
wondering if you
55, back under 50, holding 45. And I don't want it under 45. So I would even say, like, and keeping that beat.
Here, should I do this for now? See what's going on? Wow, look at that. My charts. Very clean, very nice.
Very clean, very nice, very happy.
Very clean, very nice. My trade would have been this.
Very icy.
Trade would have been this right there, like that. First DP, probably a trail. Wow, 50 points. Yo, I look. You want to give away another account? I can't lie.
Yeah, we have more to give away. Oh, there's the pop, guys.
Can we
Come
do
on,
one more?
hold that 50.
Stop filled.
I'm gonna trim out. And
Do we do one more?
how many did you do? 2?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have the TOF ones to give away.
Okay, you do that. You have them.
Yeah. I'm still managing out
How do we
this
claim the free
trade,
account? Open a
guys.
ticket. So the 2 people who won, just open a ticket. If you go on the left side on the Discord, you will see.
Oh,
Stop
came back
filled.
down, got tapped, but nice catch right there, just shy of that 60.
Where is
And
the support open a ticket? thing?
Testing that previous day high again, but I think it slides under this time around. We'll see. Whoa, using the 31 as support. Yeah, I got to share my screen. This thing going brazy on the beat.
Yeah, share screen. I'm gonna unshare my screen.
Well, I can't share screen until you unshare.
I unshared it.
So still down, as you guys remember.
Here, if you go to support, open a ticket, just say you won an account, and then we will deal with you. Very clean, very nice. What is that candle? What time is it?
It was aggressive.
I'm hungry. I feel like I'm always hungry. We want more adobo.
Have you been back on your diet?
Yeah.
Chicken, eggs. You're killing it still?
I had some chicken and some rice yesterday.
I'm going to
eggs.
open up the duck race. Let me do that. Duck race. And we got 3 more to give away for the TOF. TOF giveaway. Rams, which one am I doing? Am I doing the chart?
You know what? Let's do a TOF giveaway, and then I'm gonna do one more giveaway.
What the fuck? Giveaway.
No, I'm gonna do.
Is it working, Rams? Good?
I'm gonna do this.
Oh, that long came in.
I know what the next giveaway is gonna be. Actually, I gotta share this. Hold on.
Okay. I'm in a trade, so you're gonna have to do this announcement
Which announcement?
for the commentator.
Okay, I'll commentate.
Oh wait, I have to properly share screen. Share screen, duckies. Quack quack.
Sometimes when we die.
It all just seems
All right, ready?
too much.
What is this for? Oh, this is for the TOF accounts.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So this is the giveaway for
3, 2, 1, so.
Go. All right. 8 seconds left. Who we got in the front? We got Kajal in the front. We got Paul. We got Colton over there. Ooh, who's green? Eric. Eric's trying to get an account. 2 Erics are trying to get an account. Ramon. Oh, no way. No way. Eric is the winner of the account. No, everybody is not in this one. This was for the special top 1 giveaway where if you bought accounts using code PHUB, you got tickets. And if you bought 3 or more, you got double tickets. So you'll see people here with multiple
Tickets?
of
Who's
their
getting
names.
tickets?
So that's 1. Eric. Is Eric here? Regardless, he
Eric
won.
is getting tickets.
Eric, you win. I'm gonna.
Eric's getting
these
tickets.
down. What?
Is Eric getting tickets? Huh?
All right.
Oh yeah, I
Run the next
saw
one,
that
run the
there was
next
no
one.
point.
Let's run the next one.
Oh, sorry.
Any Lucid giveaways? The 2 accounts that we gave away before are actually Lucid giveaways.
Let's do a real race.
No, I don't want to be talking for that long.
Okay, so only talk when it's the last 15
Oh,
seconds.
okay. I'm not gonna talk.
It says share screen. No?
For
Did it
anybody
get
on
broken?
YouTube, you can see everything. Whoa.
It says I'm sharing. No, it's sharing on
Yo,
both.
full screen that bitch, bro.
It's literally sharing both.
full screen your screen. Your duck race.
Sorry, Rams is
Oh
getting
my
me
God.
confused.
Production. Ivan's about to win. Bow. Ivan is the winner. Congratulations, Mr. Ivan. You have officially won another. Ooh, which Ivan is it? Ivan TR. What's this guy?
Sometimes
Yuan,
when I touch, it
top
all
one.
just seems too much. And that we all know that we all come home
Open a ticket.
today.
All right, next one. This is the last one.
Yes, sir.
Beauty,
Last
beauty.
one. And you wrote down all these names, right?
I'm just sending them all to you.
Thank you, Papa.
All right, and we are off. This is the last giveaway for the top 1. No, not available. You did not win. Eric, no way this guy's trying to get 2 accounts. That'd be a finesse. Michael or Mikal. Mikal do.
Mikal.
There's Mikal do and there's Michael me. Who will win? Are we gonna get a last second? Kyle? No. Oh, who's gonna steal the lead? Who's it gonna be? Is it gonna be Paul? Alexander? Paul? Alexander? Oh, Alexander! Congratulations, you are the winner. Alexander Ip. Holy, which Alexander is it? There's so many Alexanders in this chat.
That's why you have to write the correct Alexander. Or that's why I put the last 2 letters of their last name.
The last 2 letters?
Or the first 2 letters of their last name. Sorry. Mr. Technicals. Oh my gosh. That you, Mr. Technicals?
Well, whoever this Alexander is not.
Congrats.
It's me.
Whoever this Alexander is, congrats.
Look at the chat. Look, I found it. It's Alexander. He won.
It's me. Pasta?
Yeah. Is Alexander here? Oh, is that you? It is you. All right. Open a ticket. Prove it's you. and
They
you
don't
win.
have to. I have all their emails. So it's going to go direct
Oh, okay.
to their account.
Beauty.
Yeah. So for the
Congrats to
winners
all
of
the winners.
TOF, you guys won't have to open up a ticket. I will do it automatically for you guys, or I won't do it. I'm gonna send the names over to our manager, and we are all Alexander. We are all Alexander, and we've done it again. But yeah, you guys won't have to open up a ticket. The only people that have to open up a ticket is the 2 winners of the Lucid accounts. And shout out Lucid, guys. Such a banger. If you guys are going to open up any props, you guys have to use code PHUB, which will always give you the best discounts across the board.
Also, we're doing giveaways every single day on our Instagram. There's the link in the chat. Make sure you follow us. Turn on notifications so you can be the first person to do all the things that we tell you to do. And then also make sure to engage, guys.
Oh, yeah.
Comments
We have to
and
do
shit.
yeah, we are.
You know what I'm saying?
I mean, again, it's another chop day, so there's not much going on.
Let's do it right up. Unless you want to do it live. Bye, hoes. Love you long time, long time. Later, Benihana. Goodbye to everybody. Premium will let you know what we're doing for Daily Breakdown, whether it's going to be right up or live.
But we said we're doing it every day for
Oh. All right.
so needy. This
I guess
guy.
we're doing
Holy
Daily
shit.
Breakdown right now. So if you guys want to stay for
Holy
the Daily
shit.
Breakdown, then don't leave. Is tomorrow gambling day? No, tomorrow is Protect Your Accounts Day.
Tomorrow is definitely watch me as I watch you.
Tomorrow is a Watch Me Pass an Eval Day. Ha! You've got to be.
You've got to be skidding me. Okay, let me properly share screen. Mwah. That's what the duck keeps saying.
I know, I
Mwah.
keep hearing it. Turn that duck off, bro.
But it keeps saying.
All right, welcome to the Daily Breakdown. This is what is done every single day in Premium, where we break down every single trade
you.
taken, all the TA, all
that
the
working, Rams?
confluences, and help you learn and become a better trader.
Cool. Time for our breakdown, guys. So stayed extremely patient right off the rip for today's session.
Mhm.
I am currently green. Well, let me just put that R to R on screen, just so you guys can see. Looking for 60 here, invalidation here at 18, and bang. Cool. And this is the same trade that we've been taking. So I took it right here, ripped it to close to that 60, which was my main PT. Unfortunately, it was just shy of. And then literally took me out, popped to it very close again, and then came back down to that previous day high, went under, reclaimed, took a tiny loss, and then did it all over again. So we'll see. Literally trading off the exact same level.
Beautiful.
One second. Let me just adjust. Because sometimes when I touch. Okay, breakdown. Booty pool. Yeah, for real. Might get stopped out here. And I'm going to have to call it for a red day. We'll see. Nonetheless, let's go through today's trades. Was super, super patient right off the rip. We saw a lot of chop. We had news at 10 o'clock. It was positive news, but as you guys can see, not much occurred after the news. We actually started to flush after that news. So we waited. We ended up taking the breakout long all the way to the top. And then from there, was waiting for another pop off of POC, and I didn't catch it. I think it only went 15 points. Came all the way back to CE. John took the short here. It tried to retest those POCs, and then next thing you know, am I still in this trade? It's a little bit lower. 12. John took the trade, had a little bit of a retest of that POC, which was absolutely sexy, and then it broke his level and then literally touched the bottom of my range, which is also our monthly anchored VWAP, straight reclaim. And after he grabbed 60 points, I then reversed the position at right around 12. So literally right where it is right now. I just got stopped, by the way. And then from there, was able to capture right around 80 points at its peak, but grabbed multiple legs all throughout. And unfortunately, this massive drop did give me a nice, juicy loss, which is currently putting me very close to DLL. But nonetheless, began to scratch back. And the main thing here is just the levels. As you guys can see, other than this peak, we're respecting CE. So let's go on a 5 minutes so you guys can really see the depiction of it all. Right here, went straight to CE, based sideways off of CE, held it, pushed after testing our POC as right here, and then finally got that full reclaim. Couldn't hold, came back down, test off of those POCs still, and then literally flushed under 25K psych level plus our weekly value area high. From there, back to CE, pushed straight to our POC and our ADR high. Came back down, CE, flushed under previous day high once again, and our monthly anchored, and then literally just trading in between levels. So the trades, super aggressive, but the ones that were the A+ setup, like John's and my long, those were the ones that are like, okay, you know what? It doesn't matter whether or not you're sized in or not. It's a good trade nonetheless if you're on a funded or if you're on an eval. All the other ones where we're sizing into very aggressively, again, it's because it's an eval and it's just the way that we like to trade, because at the end of the day, I'd rather spend a little bit more knowing that I don't have to baby an eval and start making money immediately. Do I think that strategy is for everyone? No, not at all, especially if you don't have the funds to keep doing that, right? Like if you can only buy one account and you've allotted yourself maybe a budget of $200 or $300 every single month for a potential eval, and you're just constantly blowing it right away, that makes absolutely no sense. At that point, because you're being a lot more risk adverse with your money and you're budgeting properly, then I would say baby the account, but also realize that if it's going to take you like a month or 2 months, if the prop does have reoccurring, where if the account is still open, they're going to charge you again, that's something to keep note of as well. Or if you're already close to DLM, they're about to recharge you, bro, what are you doing? So it just has to make sense at the end of the day, like based off of your situation. For something like a challenge, I like going a lot more aggressive. We have some fundeds ready for the challenge already. And then we just have to wait for an end of day. I'm going to do an end of day before this weekend so that we can continue to push through. But nonetheless, that's today's breakdown. Literally just trading off of levels. We do have FOMC tomorrow, so today was kind of a shit show just like yesterday, but it was abiding by the levels really, really well. If you guys haven't already, make sure to switch over your contracts if you haven't rolled them. I know people on TradeC, it's not even giving you the option apparently, so I personally would not trade on those contracts. The reason why is because they're very illiquid, meaning your spread from the bid and the ask is significantly different. So you're talking what's typically like a point to 2 points of a differential between the two. You're probably looking at the minimum, I would say 5 to 10. I entered during Globex on my TradeC because it said I still had a little bit of a balance. It literally took one MNQ and immediately it took me out. So just be careful.
Bingo.
To everyone else, we will see you guys tomorrow. It is FOMC week. It is getting aggressive, and make sure you guys use code PHUB if you guys open up any props. Number 2, and probably my most favorite, we will be creating another Find the Code and get another giveaway. So yeah, we do giveaways basically every single day, guys. Watch out for this 25K bounce. And if it gets rejected, it gets rejected. That thing's done. But I want to see if it can get the bounce off of that 25K. Seems like it is testing it really, really well right now. And I just want to see how that responds to that monthly anchored, because that's going to be the key thing here. But yeah, that's pretty much today's trades. So currently
we're posting one today, and make sure you engage the shit out of that one.
Like it, share it, save it, send it to your boys, send it to your mom, to your sister. Happy birthday to my mom.
Happy birthday
Love
to
her.
Mama Ace.
Happy St. Patty's Day. If you guys are going to drink responsibly. We love y'all, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Later. Peace.